Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. At kung hindi pa kayo nakakapag-subscribe, just click the subscription button and also don't forget to click the notification bell para maging updated kayo sa mga bago kong video. Bago po natin simulan ang lahat, happy 250 subscribers! Gusto ko lang pong magpasalamat sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta. This little victory is such a milestone. Thank you all! So for today's video, I'm going to share with you what's inside the Chief Girl Scout Medal Scheme Book of Forms. So if you are an aspiring candidate of Chief Girl Scout Medal Scheme or you are just planning to be one, please stay dahil para sa inyo ang videos na to. Ewan ko sa ibang lugar, hindi ko alam sa Luzon and Visayas, basta ganito sa amin sa Mindanao. We use Clearbook to finalize and arrange our forms. Here's the example. By the way, this is not mine ha. I just borrowed it from my tita and this Clearbook is incomplete po. I just want to show you what it looks like. I don't have my book of forms po kasi pinasa ko po siya sa council at hindi pa po siya nababalik. So I have this guide, table of contents. Kung napapansin nyo, may sulat-sulat kasi this is my guide din po while making my forms before. So ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's get started! Pag open mo pa lang ng book, dapat ang unang makikita mo is ang 3R picture whole body. Next is the title page and here's the example. It has the logo of the Girl Scout of the Philippines, Girl Scout of the Philippines National Headquarters, Manila, Chief Girl Scout Medal Scheme Project. At dito kung anong community development project ang pinili mo. Tapos, the project itself, the name of the project. Mine is Chapel Improvement kasi kaya Chapel Improvement yung nandyan. The location of your project. Initiated by Miss Antonette Aravel T. Baltazar, Chief Girl Scout Medal Candidate. Name of your troop leader, then troop leader. Next is introduction. Sa introduction, dun nila mababasa kung ano ang nasa loob ng book. Kung ano yung matutunghayan nila, ano yung mababasa nila sa loob ng book. Next is All About Me. The title itself, dito nakalagay ang lahat ng tungkol sa'yo. In one page lang ha, baka punuin nyo yung book nyo ng tungkol sa'yo. The important details lang. So here we go! Form 1. Ito po yung itsura ng Form 1. Bale, itong mga forms, this is given ng council po. Magbibigay po sila ng raw document, tas i-fill out nyo lang po yun. So, wag po kayong mag-worry kung hindi po siya makita. Kasi magbibigay po talaga yung council ng format during or after nung training niya sa Chief Girl Scout Medal Scheme. Need nyo po ng 2x2 photo na naka-Girl Scout kasi i-attach nyo po siya dito. Form 1 also consists community profile. Dito mababasa all about the community. What your community have, what your community needs, and what is the problem of your community. Dito ka mababasa kung ano yung project na gagawin mo. In my case, hindi po ako nag-survey talaga, like one by one, house to house, kasi marami-rami kami dito. Yung ginawa ko, lumapit po ako sa purok leader and in-interview ko siya about it. Form 1 also consists troop leader endorsement, parents endorsement, GKK endorsement. Sa akin po, GKK endorsement kasi chapel improvement po yung project ko and related siya sa 𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏 at hindi sa barangay or purok. And training certificate. You should have a training certificate. You must attend Chief Girl Scout Medal Scheme training first before working on your project kasi kailangan siya sa forms mo. Then, you will not put the original certificate po. You must take a picture of it or Xerox niyo po, just like this. Let's go to Form 2. Fill out this. And dito sa number 4, about the project, use extra sheets. For 4.1, project description. 4.2, objectives. 4.3, methods. 4.4, timetable. Sa timetable, dun mo ilalagay kung anong ginawa mo for that particular month and day. Dapat every month may ginawa ka for the project. And 4.5, budget. Ililista mo dito kung ano yung ginamit na materials and the price. Form 2 also consists name of consultants, work group, and references. Kung ikaw talaga yung gumawa or nag-handle ng project mo, hindi ka mahihirapan sa paggawa ng papers or pagsagot sa questions during evaluation. Yes, my question and answer during evaluation. So make sure na ikaw talaga yung gumawa ng papers mo kasi dyan sila magbabase ng questions sa book mo. Form 3. Fill out this, and it consists self-development skills. Sa self-development skills, while working on your project, ano yung skills na na-develop mo sa sarili mo? Give at least 3. Then it also consists spiritual reading. How did you apply the learnings gained from your spiritual readings in your project? Give at least 5. Next, the spiritual advisors. Their names and the date of counseling. Don't be shy talaga kasi hindi pwedeng hindi ka haharap sa ibang tao. Sa Form 3 pa lang required na. Next is networking. List the names of agencies or organization you network with. For example, LGU and whatsoever. Form 4. Fill out this. The number 1 work done. Dito nakasulat ang dates, activities undertaken, and persons involved. Next, minutes of the meetings. You can Xerox the minutes po. Hindi po siya required na ilagay talaga yung minutes doon sa clear book. Next is observation of the monitoring panel. Dito po nakalagay yung mga observations ng monitoring panel during the pre-evaluation. During pre-evaluation, mag-share sila o magre-recommend sila kung ano ang pwede mo pang gawin sa project mo at ang hinuha nila doon. Form 5. Fill out this. And this consists of narrative report. Dito nila mababasa kung anong nangyari the whole year while working on your project. Ilagay mo dyan kung ano ang nangyari, kung anong challenges ang hinarap mo at paano mo ito nalampasan. Next, effects on the community, effects on the candidate, turnover ceremony. You will attach your short program for the turnover ceremony. Here's mine, edited by my boyfriend.
Di na malayan kung saan nagsimula.
Actually, this is pink. I don't know kung bakit peach siya paglabas sa printer. List of persons recognized. Don't forget to thank them, ha? And lastly, for Form 5, plans for sustaining the project. Next, the work samples. It consists of pictures before, during, and after. Then, 𝗏𝗧𝗧𝗏 officials. 𝗏𝗧𝗧𝗏 po kasi chapel po yung project ko. List of beneficiaries, list of donors, solicitation letters, community survey forms, impressions. Yung impressions po, galing po sa community mo. Bale, gagawa ka po ng survey forms tapos ipapasagot mo po sa kanila. Then, certificates. Ano po siya ha? Hindi po talaga yung certificate na original. Isi-xerox mo lang siya or take a picture of it. Then, attendance sheets. Every time na may gathering kayo or yung paggawa po ng project, dapat may attendance po. Name ng nag-attend and pirma. The spot mat, acknowledgement, and lastly, written reports. That's what we see inside the Chief Girl Scout Medal Scheme Book of Forms. Before I end this video, shout out muna tayo. Shout out kay Hubert Aldrin Olog, Carl Renser Clar, Shara Loreen Sakam, Divine Grace Cagata, Ellie Joan Gail Ibanez, Cristel Marie Idhao, Shannon Tricia Solteo, Mary Chris Fernandez, and Lang MJ Dugues. Sa gusto pong magpa-shoutout, comment lang po kayo sa baba. And that's all for today. I hope you learned something. And if you want to know more about scouting, just comment down below. Also, if you have questions, suggestions, and criticisms, feel free to comment down there. Bye!